I pulled into Oaxaca, and all of a sudden, when I would decelerate in first or second gear, like at speed bumps or stop signs, stoplights, the bike would die. We went around to a ton of different shops because there are a ton of shops here. Honda, Kawasaki, even Royal Enfield has a shop. Yamaha, of course, Suzuki. But none of those places were willing to work on my bike because it's Triumph, not real popular or well known in Mexico. So we had to find an independent shop, which I kind of figured. Well, I think we lucked out because I'm pretty sure I was told this guy is an ex-racer, motorbike racer. As a matter of fact. You can't see them very well, but over here on the wall of his shop are racing pictures, probably of the main mechanic. So they had the bike for a couple of days, I think, and they're getting it back to me clean. And if you need a motorcycle shop in Oaxaca, this is where you need to come. I don't know if you can see it. Moto X stock. And they put a decal on my bike, so hopefully that means I get a discount because we didn't have any stickers before, but we'll see. Probably 2 thumbs up. This is the bike update since it's been to the mechanic. He did tons of everything. Did everything that needed to be done. Things I didn't ask, things that he knew needed to be done, things that he figured out needed to be done. Anything and everything. Let's see. First, you can see. One of the first things my dad asked me about the bike was what happened right there. I said the crash bars worked. Let me see. Cleaned the bike. Not only took care of the problem, cleaned the bike. Cleaned the chain. Adjusted the tension on the chain. Took care of the real main problems. Fuel filter cleaned. Fuel injectors, maybe I don't remember exactly. Air filter, all the simple stuff that you would imagine would need to be done after riding 4,000 miles through windy West Texas, Arizona, New Mexico, Baja, and majority of the country of Mexico. Yeah. So, in addition, on top of everything, I'm sponsored. No, I asked him about the sticker that they put on there. I said, "Did you charge me for the sticker?" He said, "No, that's on the house." He said, "Maybe I didn't want it on the bike, but I wasn't going to complain." Charged 2,200 pesos. Had the bike 2 days. Did all that work. I was talking to my dad about it later, and we both came to the conclusion that, well, of course he kept the bike for 2 days. His labor is 1,000 pesos a day, so he couldn't give it back in 1 day. He had to make a little profit. So 2,200 pesos came out to about $130. And he said, "You are good to go. Go ride down to Argentina if you want." He did say, get a new tire in the next 1,000 kilometers, 1,500 kilometers. And told me where to go, what store to go to, and what city. So, pretty good deal, if you ask me. That's it.